Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard candy fruit. First, gather your essential ingredients such as sugar, water, and corn syrup. Next, prepare your chosen fruit by washing and thoroughly drying each piece. This step is crucial for the candy to adhere properly. Finally, ensure you have a reliable candy thermometer and parchment paper ready for the dipping process. These preparations will set you up for success. Now let's create the perfect candy syrup. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Once it starts boiling, stop stirring completely. Continue cooking until your candy thermometer reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is key for that satisfying crunch. With your syrup at the perfect temperature, it's time for the fun part, dipping. Carefully and quickly dip each piece of prepared fruit into the hot candy syrup, ensuring it's fully coated. Use a skewer or toothpick for easy handling. Immediately place the dipped fruit onto a sheet of parchment paper to cool. Work efficiently, as the syrup will begin to harden very quickly. Allow them to set completely. Once your hard candy fruit has cooled and set, it's ready to enjoy. This usually takes at least 15 minutes. For best results and to maintain their crispness, store any leftover candy fruit in an airtight container at room temperature. They make a delightful treat or a beautiful edible gift. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy candy making.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.